what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play the song Trailer Trash. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. To play this song, you're going to have your capo on the 3rd fret, and you're going to be in standard tuning. The chords you'll need are G, 3, 2, open, 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 3, E minor, open, 2, 2, open, 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 A minor, X, open, 2, 2, 1, open, C, X, 3, 2, open, 1, open, and you'll need D as well. X, X, open, 2, 3, 2. So the intro plays the chord progression G, E minor, A minor, C. But the rest of the song plays the chord progression G, E minor, A, D. The strumming pattern you should use is down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down.